Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add an audio to your Reel timeline. So if you want to add an audio song on your Reel timeline, then let me show you how to do this. So here we have Instagram open. Next, we'll go ahead and tap on the plus sign, tap on Reel to post a Reel. We'll go ahead and select a video. Then we'll tap on next. We'll go ahead and tap on next again. And we'll go ahead and tap on edit video to look at it in timeline mode. Now here, if I want to add a audio song to this clip, go ahead and tap on audio from the bottom. Now I can go ahead and select any audio I like. So you've got For You, trending, the original audio, and anything you have saved by looking through your Reels. If you cannot find the one that you're looking for, you can also use the search feature to search for a song. Go ahead and select any you like. Tap play, tap on the arrow. Next, go ahead and select what part of the song you require. So go ahead and listen to it and choose the one that you want, then press done. And now you have that song set to your timeline. So as you can see at the bottom, you've got your audio file playing, and at the top you have your video file playing. So there you go guys, that is how to add a song to your Reel timeline on Instagram. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.